The Vetroo AL800 full tower PC case makes a bold statement right out of the box, especially in this army green color. It's not just about looks, though. This case is packed with features that cater to both aesthetics and performance. One of the standout features is the customization. Vetroo lets you choose the number of fans you need, which is a huge plus for tailoring airflow to your specific components. The built-in RGB LED strip adds a vibrant touch, and the fact that it syncs with the motherboard via a 5V3-pin interface is fantastic for creating a unified lighting scheme. The door opening and tempered glass design is both practical and visually appealing. The 4mm thick tempered glass provides a clear view of the components and RGB lighting inside, while the door opening design makes assembly and maintenance a breeze. No more struggling to reach tight spaces or remove side panels. Airflow is a top priority with the AL800. The 3D mesh front panel not only looks modern, but also ensures maximum airflow to keep the system cool, even under heavy loads. Support for up to a 360mm liquid cooling radiator in the front or top, along with the ability to mount up to 10 by 120mm fans, provides plenty of cooling options. Compatibility is another area where the AL800 shines. It supports E-ATX, ATX, M-ATX, and IDX motherboards, and it can accommodate GPUs up to 425mm in length, meaning it fits all RTX 40 series graphics cards without issue. Cable management is often a headache, but Vetroo has made it simpler with two soft silicone cord grommets. These grommets make it easier to route cables and keep the interior of the case clean and organized. The rear mount power supply is a standard design choice. Overall, the Vetroo AL800 seems to strike a good balance between aesthetics, functionality, and compatibility. The army green color might not be for everyone, but it certainly makes a statement. If you're looking for a full tower case that offers plenty of room for customization, excellent airflow, and a unique look, the AL800 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.